Giving you a quick blizzard update here across the metro area of Nebraska and Iowa. Take a look at our Skycam view right now from the Memphis Women's Hospital near 192nd and Dodge. Near blizzard conditions on the west side of the metro. Heavy snow, high winds, low visibility. That's Super Doppler 7 radar. We're seeing the heaviest snow, western Douglas County, parts of Sarpy County. But then look at the difference. If you're in Bellevue, Placid, basically nothing right now. As we've been talking all week, we're seeing a big drop off from the southeast to the northwest part of the metro, expecting the northwest side to see the highest snow totals through the entire event. You can see visibility dropping, quarter mile in Lincoln, Columbus, zero visibility in York. So it's that with wind gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour that are going to create these blizzard conditions and continue to advance eastward with time as we go through the rest of the day. So breaking down the timeline as we approach the noon hour, expect blizzard conditions in the metro area. Gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour continuing through 2, 3 o'clock, possibly till 4. The snow will start to wind down for the evening rush, but still expect those wind gusts around 50 miles per hour. When it's all said and done, likely a swath of 6 to 12 inches from basically west of 680, parts of Douglas County, Elkhorn Valley, up toward Fremont, down through David City, York, Columbus, up to Tacoma, and then a sharp drop-off. With parts of Omaha, we'll see 3 to 6 inches, and then maybe down south toward Plattsmouth, maybe just an inch.